Music. Welcome to this Doctor on Demand Telehealth review. Find usage experience links below. Doctor on Demand connects you with licensed healthcare providers for urgent care and mental health support. Consult via video or phone 24/7. Perfect for accessing care after hours or from home. Doctor on Demand offers a wide range of services, from consultations with board-certified doctors for colds, flu, allergies, and skin issues, to virtual sessions with psychiatrists, psychologists, and therapists for depression, anxiety, stress, and relationship issues. It's your all-in-one healthcare solution. The user-friendly app and website make scheduling appointments easy. Connect with a provider in minutes for urgent care, or within a few days for mental health. HIPAA compliant, Doctor on Demand keeps your information secure and private. Ideal for busy individuals, parents, and anyone needing convenient healthcare. Especially helpful for those in remote areas or with mobility issues. Doctor on Demand works with many insurance providers to minimize costs, with affordable self-pay options too. Providing convenient, flexible, high-quality healthcare, Doctor on Demand is excellent for those valuing time, convenience, and privacy. Learn more and see how Doctor on Demand can meet your needs. Check out the links below.